I know I should be sharing my birthday story, but that's gonna take a lot of editing because it's a whole lot happened. So I'm gonna share this, and then yeah, the birthday story will be happier than this, but I can't help but feel like this right now. So yeah, he gave me konnichiwa, wagwan, konbanwa. Just doing a quick video of a little story. I usually just try to be transparent because it will help someone in some way or the other. You may never know, when you have people in your life, don't take them for granted, and don't take it for granted that they will always be around. Cherish the moments that you spend together. Cherish everything, every person that is around you. Cherish them. Value people's time and take it seriously because you'll never know. I want to talk about this Japanese man who welcomed me. He was not the only person, because I do have, like, real Japanese friends that I call family. But when I moved to apartment that I was living at, he welcomed me with open arms. I remember how we met is that I used to see this person open his door half open. Actually, sometimes open all the way open. Because in the summertime in Japan it's very, very hot. So he would open the door and I thought, let me just catch the door with the umbrella. Just open it a little bit. If you hear a lot of noise, it's very windy outside. It's like a windstorm. So I would just catch the door with the umbrella because, I want to get air in. And I was like a year or so, going 2 years in Japan. So I haven't had any incidents or anything that, I felt like I couldn't just catch the door. Like, I wouldn't do it if I'm far away. Like, if I'm in the kitchen, I catch the front door. And I remember one day I was cooking and I saw this person walk past and looked. So I was like, oh, this person looks so creepy. Like, them are look inside. And anyway, I catch the door again. But one day he said to me, old man, you, young lady, Abunai, Abunai. Abunai means dangerous. And he said, lock, close the door, close the door. And I was like, well, if he lives here, been living here for the past 60 years, he knows more than I do. So I just say, all right, take him advice. And then from there, every time we see each other, I know you would have seen videos of him. If you scroll down to last year, you would have seen videos of us teaching him how to dance, cook curry chicken for him, all sort of stuff. I'll link some, put some of those videos in the comment, in the description, as well as I might put them on the card. Right, so there are so many videos of us. I remember once he asked me if I'm a Christian, and I told him, I was so shocked. And I realized that he did some research on Jamaica and the Caribbean, and that's when whatever happened. So let me tell you what happened. He came one day, honestly feel, even to this day, he came to me and he brought a big sushi for me. You can see that it is an expensive one because it had a variety of the fish, and he was waiting for me to taste it. I don't eat raw fish. I can't manage. So I tried a piece of it and I really couldn't swallow it. I had to spit it out, and he was looking at me, and you could see the sparkle in his eyes, how proud he was that he was able to meet someone from Jamaica, because he knows everything about Bolt, even the meme where Bolt said social distancing. Or I don't think Bolt said it, like somebody did a meme on that. Yeah, he was so proud that he was able to express himself in that way. Um, he was the only person who welcomed me by coming to my apartment, cooking for me. He told me to invite 3 friends, but at the time I didn't have 3 friends to invite, so I invited one girl, and you see the video with her. So I tasted the thing and I couldn't swallow, and he asked me if I didn't like it, and I told him, to be honest, I can't eat raw fish, and I'm sure he didn't ask me back for it because he would. I had it in my hand, but whatever the case may be, I gave it back to him. And even if he said, okay, okay, and probably reach for it, I should have said to him, no, 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 it's okay. I will, and go and put some curry on it or some jerk sauce and cook it down and whatever. Give back the man the something. I gave it back. And honestly, to this day, I really feel terrible about it, because if you know anything about Japan's culture, they give you something, take it. So I gave it back to him. Felt very bad afterwards. When I closed the door, I was like, what the hell? What did you just do, kid? Like, what did you just do? You've accepted stuff from strangers, things that you don't even want, but you take it because of how you know. Anyways, the next day I looked out for him and I translated and told him how sorry I was, and I did the bowing and everything, and he was like, no, 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 it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. But he's gonna say it's okay even if it's, even if he's hurt by it. Well, we've spoken after that. Things were nice. We laughed, chat on the balcony as we usually do, just the same and all of that. And but another bad thing happened. When I was leaving the apartment, it was so sudden. I was too devastated. I was still working while trying to move and everything. I did not see him before I moved. I did not even tell him that I was moving. So fast forward to a few days ago, I did a quick run to the city for my birthday. I did, a little bit of traveling and whatever. And I went to look for my Japanese sister. She had a baby about 4 months ago. So I went to look for them, and I asked her quickly to just drive me by him to see if I can say hello. I even brought souvenir. I was going up the staircase and I said, no, this is not where I live. So I went back down. We rang the bell. The person said, this is not him. We stood there for a little while thinking, could this be the apartment or not? I was like, no, it's not it. This evening, I realized that I went to the wrong apartment. I lived on the 4th. We went to the 3rd floor. I was so tired because it was a long weekend. I had to try to catch the earliest train back because it's over 2 hours. So all of that, in thinking all of that, she even came with me with the intention that if he's not there, we would leave a note and leave the souvenir in his mailbox. We went to the wrong place, the wrong side of the wrong floor. Actually, I cried while I was on the train. Part of it is that it's hormones. you know, Female, we go through these things, but I genuinely feel bad. Yeah, anyways, I felt a bit relieved to know that, it's not the worst that I was thinking, or he moved away and I just did not get a chance to say anything to him ever again, and thinking that, oh, we might just see each other, like that could happen like in a million chances. So what I'm gonna do is to send a card with English and Japanese version to express to him how sorry I am. Hopefully he gets it. Hopefully he sees it, and it would be nice if he responds and let me know if he got it and how he feels. And I guess I'll keep you guys posted. I'll keep you updated on how that turns out. fingers crossed he responds, and hopefully I'll be able to, well, I should go back to that place. While I was editing the video, I realized that I really do not know what the man's full name is. He wrote it for me like long time ago. I'm not even sure where that is. I only refer to him as Mickey. Well, I need to find a new idea because I need to get in touch with him somehow. Yeah, so I'm just hoping for the best. Stay tuned. If you have any ideas, please leave in a comment and wish me luck. All right. Don't do like what I did. Trust me, it's not a nice feeling to know that somebody reached out to you in such a way and you made them feel that like that. Maybe he's okay, maybe he's fine, but I'm not. So I'm trying to fix my end of it. So we'll see how it goes from there. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.